Hello all traders, today is Monday 24th of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian and London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go down sharply and past the previous day close and low. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price finds a support and buyers come back, take long positions in a well-established uptrend. And that's what happened. And when I came back around 10:20, as you see, the price got rejected here at this point and was going up to retest this level. So when the price went up and had a pullback, I took long positions with setup C on Nasdaq and also at the same time on S&P 500 with setup C on this candle, and closed these on the upper area of the channels with profit. So these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we had 100% win rate from 6 long positions taken, and the average winning trades were 302 and the largest winning trade was 520. So that's a summary of the trades we have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, I look at the cryptocurrencies with high liquidity during the weekend and possibility to trade them for scalping. I took several trades during the weekend and also on Monday on Bitcoin, BNB, XRP and also Solano, and also took one position on S&P 500. So these are the list of trades. So total of 11 trades were taken, mostly long positions on these instruments, and you see profit and loss here. I tried a small lot size and overall it was positive, and Bitcoin had the least spread and is suitable for scalping, and XRP, BNB and Solano had wider spread and not suitable. So it's a new experience and I just want to share with you. So with these trades mostly on cryptocurrencies, we reached a total balance of $90.54 with the profit factor of 3.56. And now from 186 trades taken, we had 153 winners, resulted in 82.26% win rate. So the best instrument was Bitcoin with the smallest spread and better moves and correlation with E-minis. And this shows the equity curve that is growing consistently with the percentage of drawdown, which is below 0.5%. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm account and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.